Alright, so today what we'll be talking about is calculating geometric probabilities. So we'll take the usual where everyone goes to the high school basketball game and then you see the cheerleaders going around selling tickets. So we'll talk about buying lotto tickets at a basketball game. Alright, now let's say beforehand each ticket has a 3% chance of winning. Okay, so N is unknown. Okay, pretty simple. Now the probability is actually going to be 0.03. And so that means that Q, the complement, is going to be 0.97. Okay, as we go. Now we want to go back and answer the questions from before, which was, okay, are we dealing with a geometric setting? Okay, there are only two outcomes, success or failure. Makes sense. So that's answer the first question. He'll keep going until he's for success. He'll stop buying tickets after he wins. Makes sense. Trials are independent. Okay, and probability of success is constant. Okay, all right, so we have everything all set up. So now if we wanted to find the probability of, let's say, what is his probability of winning after the 5th ticket? Okay, so we would set x equal to 5, okay, and we would set it up. So this would be n, well, actually, we'd set it up as, I'm sorry, I had to think there for a second. Okay, that would be 0.03 times 0.097 to the 4th power, because you had to fail 4 times. Okay, and when you put that into calculator, be very careful, 0.03, that you are putting in the correct decimals. 4th power. And that would be a 0.0266 chance. Okay. All right. So in other words, he has a 2.66% chance of actually winning this lottery. Okay. Now I know that lotteries at the basketball games aren't exactly like this. You actually all buy the tickets and then someone is picked. But let's say that someone was actually selling tickets and gave the chances, and this guy just went up and just bought a whole bunch and stuff. Okay. All right, now if we wanted to find the probability of him winning after the 52nd ticket, okay, all right, remember we would have to do the complement of that, so it would be 1 minus the probability of him winning on, let me see, winning being less than or equal to, hold, 2, 4, 3, this would be x to 51. Okay. All right. So when we do these calculations, you do have to be able to do this. Now up here, just so we know, on our calculator settings, you can actually set this one up here. Let me see. This would be on your TI calculator. This would be PDF. Okay. Now this one down here, your calculation would be the same. Okay, except you would be using 52, and then you'd be subtracting from that. So let me actually take that back. It's going to be 1x equals 52. Okay, so this will actually be the same one as well. I misspoke earlier when I was saying it was going to be less than or equal to. Okay, all right, that's it for calculating geometric probabilities. Just remember to use this on your TI 89 or 90 or whatever, 92, 83, 84 that you guys are using today, and you'll be able to find geometric probabilities pretty easily. Okay, all right, have a great day, and I'll